Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video we'll be working on a Mazda, guys. So if you have any Mazda vehicles such as Mazda 2, 3, 5, 6, CX, 3CX, 5CX, 7 guys, and you have the warning light on the inside that says hood open, but even the hood is closed, you still get the sign on the dash or the little bitty thing that you have an open door and open hood, guys. Stay with us and we'll explain, guys, what causes that and how to fix it. The procedure is not very complicated and it's usually a wiring harness problem or a little bitty switch, and we'll explain where they're located. Now, we'll guys have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below and let us know if the video was helpful. Let's start on it now. So I'm going to go ahead, close the hood, okay, on this Mazda. It's closed all the way, and if I go inside, guys, okay, and on some modern Mazdas, newer models, it may have an actual display that may tell you hood is open. On some you might just have the little bitty symbol with the car, okay, that states that something is open somewhere, either a door, trunk lid or a hood. So let me grab the correct key, push it in, okay, I'm starting the car, and you can see, guys, right there it just keeps telling us that door or something is open. In our case, guys, it's the hood, okay. On some it may say just hood open, on this one it's one, okay, one little bitty warning light for everything: doors, hood, trunk. And if you guys, okay, don't know how we know for sure if it's a door, if it's a hood, we'll have a video, guys, that will explain how to test all that. So make sure you check it out on the channel. So usually, guys, on the hood latch somewhere, okay, you can see you have a cable. That cable, guys, unlocks the hood, okay. On the bottom, when you pull the handle on the inside, it unlocks the hood. However, guys, okay, in our case we have a wire, okay. Right here there is one wire usually. That wire, guys, okay, right there, this is going to a sensor in the hood latch. That sensor, guys, detects if the hood is closed or open. And you can see usually, like right here, you have a connector somewhere by the hood latch. It could be on the back side, it could be on the front, that triggers that. Now, how you guys fix that? That little bitty switch, usually on some cars it may be replaced, on some not. So the only way, really, if you go to the dealer or anything like that to get the parts, the only way to do it, guys, is to get a new hood latch, the whole hood latch. And you gotta make sure you get the one with the sensor, because some models do not have that one. Not every model will have it, because that's a micro switch, guys, that's practically replaceable and it could be bypassed, but for safety reason, don't do that, guys. Just fix it the correct way and don't be cheap. So after you fix that, guys, your warning light for hood open will go away. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.